Mold and mildew are things, of course, that we don't want growing, on your siding. There are preventative things that you can do, making sure that we eliminate that from happening. For instance, with vinyl siding, albeit a product that we don't necessarily sell anymore, there are sprays that you can spray on it, making sure that it doesn't even allow the opportunity for those things to grow. I will say with James Hardie fiber cement, this is not necessarily a problem that we run into. That's just one of the advantages of selecting this particular type of product. If you do see it growing, generally it's going to be on your north wall. You've got a lot of moisture. The sun doesn't get to it, which of course allows that moisture just to sit, which generates your mold and mildew issues. If it does begin to happen and you start seeing it on your wall, unfortunately, one of the only things that you can do is use good old elbow grease, get up there and scrub it off. Mold and mildew, if growing, as a homeowner, this is something that you can simply take care of yourself. If you're not comfortable with, getting up on the ladder and dealing with the heights, then of course, finding yourself a very trustworthy handyman or someone that has got experience in doing that, of course, would be a recommendation.